Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Gage. That song called SSL. You know, say at the stock limited with Rabop, Usain Bolt and other people's money. So that's the hot topic from the past 2 weeks or so. Gage dropped a song about it. And let me just say this before we start the reaction. Yeah. You know, the last song, last Gage song when we react to, when I say Wagwan, I made a mistake by thinking that he said the line about Chandil Muir where he must say she attack and media laugh. I thought he said media laugh. You understand? So me get the line wrong. So sorry about that. If me know something not offend nobody still. So but just say me get the line wrong. So if Uno can correct me in the comment section, that is great. I really appreciate you guys correcting me in the comment section. I like that. So let's jump to the one and see what the G has said. Let's go. SSL, Uno thief in Ras, let's go.
This bigger than joke. Somebody taking money and bolt.
Yeah. Play upon word as it start. This bigger than jokes. Somebody take the money and bolt. Running. Yeah, play on words. Yeah. Big up. Gage are the lyrical genius. We know that already. Gage bad.
Taking money and bolt. Yes and no, so with the blood clotty money the boy.
That's that. What that there now? What show that now? Yes and no, sir. Yes and no, sir. With the blood clot. Yes and no, sir. Third World Cup. I think that's it. Yeah. Yes and no, sir. One time. All right. That part that I'm saying is from a movie called Third World Cup. With Paul Cam the night. So him a run down skinny him a run down skinny and skinny a run. So him whap it back round and hold skinny. I say yo, him a skinny something and skinny answer. Him a say yes and no sir with the blood. So that's a Gage get it from Gage. Make up yourself. You know what I think? You know bad show. Go watch it if you don't watch it already. Go watch it.
Somebody taking money and bolt. Yes and no, so with the blood clotty money the boy. How come? Like JPS. If me invest, who know for pay me yes. Track and steal. Me think I did track and feel.
Track and steal. Me think I did track and feel. Yo, get your ramp up.
Who know for pay me yes. Track and steal. Me think I did track and feel. Who know can real? Me want know where the money there. SSL, where the money there. Who know I play man money like song as if FM. Over 100 million, I know the dip of them. Come again, where the money there.
Yeah.
No, where the money there. We no interested in no investment. You enough money that you know we secure. They know where the money's like go.
Enough money for truth, you know. Wanna make it make sense. Enough money for truth. This woman will come out and say, yo, the money, she use the money and treat her father cancer and them thing there. You don't need so much to treat cancer. Then you say you take your money and bury your father when he passed away. RIP to your father, but you don't need so much money to bury your dead. Where the money there? Like, but it's not she alone involved in this. There's a lot. There's a whole chain. $2 billion. Come on, man. No, come on.
Where the money there? We no interested in no investment. You enough money that you know make it make sense. Money secure. They know where the money's like go. Which stocks when nothing a pile up. No greedy. Don't got no limit. Oh, put it on a bank book, pan like buck.
I don't think it is pan lipo, but that maybe that bank put the pan lipo Gage. Not Usain Bolt. Usain Bolt still rich. You know, don't get it twisted. Usain Bolt still rich, brother. Cause we have money in a something from 2012 and just a check on it now. That means you don't even bother about it. You just meant the money that just go and grow feet. Well, you thought it was growing by itself, but them wrap you up, my G. Them wrap you up. You see me? Mr. Hope says some action is done because I the first time this happened. And the same thing, the cash plus they do something similar to this and grab up all people money. So SSL on some white collar criminal and a thief. Yes.
They know where the money's like go. Which stocks when nothing a pile up. No greedy, don't got no limit. Oh, put it on a bank book, pan like buck. Me like question marks. Money got foot now, money can walk. Money just get up and gone one part. And nobody no spot when the billions pass.
true, man. Money, but we know said them spot when the money pass. We know said them spot it. Them are just thief. Them just wicked.
No give away any brass feed. Get your shit with corruption fast. Now listen them in when them attack. I better me go listen Valiant and Craft. Wish wealth investor magician.
Man, say me not listen to them when them attack. I better me go listen to Valiant and Craft. Two bad artists. Hear me I say though. Alright. The youth them a Jamaica's scam. Yeah? And police depend them tail. Mocha depend them or lock them up and them would get extradited and go prison or whatever. But this is not the first time we've seen them people, them high class people rob up poor people money. Or rob up a normal youth money. Them do it to Movado. Them do it to Movado. This liar woman rob up Movado and now she don't sleep at night in a jail. So them people like them all drink from the same cup, all eat from the same plate. Them all got the same party, go fuck them one another. And them thing of them they pan. You see me? So this thing is bigger than what it really is looking in. Them people are in with the heads of states, bro. Them in with the government. Them people are the government. Them are rub shoulder. You understand? So it a go hard for anything done about this unless an outside entity come in Jamaica and sort out this shit, brother. But it nah go done just so. You see me?
Feed better your shit with corruption fast. Now listen them in when them attack. I better me go listen Valiant and Craft. Wish wealth investor magician. Money disappear when he land in your hand. From me find out say you that a one. Every day me a check it 10 grand in the bank. So where the money there? Where the money there? SSL, where the money there? Where the money there? Who know I play man money like Sangers FM over 100 million. I know the diplo them come again. Where the money there? Where the
Him say over 100 million and I know the depot them, so depot Valiant. He must say 100 million and nothing for him Jordan, remember? So that him say right?
Where the money there? SSL, where the money there? Where the money there? Who know I play man money like Sangers FM over 100 million. I know the diplo them come again.
Diplo, yeah, diplomats, yeah.
Where the money there? That no, where the money there? Where the money there? We no interested in no investment. You enough money that you know make it make sense. I know SSL this a cash plus. I know greedy that a long got through.
I know SSL is a cash plus. Remember we mentioned cash plus earlier on what them do? At the same fuckery cash plus too.
Money there, you know I play man money like Sangers FM over 100 million. I know the diplo them come.
Hold on. Him shoot a video outside SSL. Gage, let me not lock you up. Man, I lock you up in a Gage.
Again, where the money there?
Yeah.
That no, where the money there? Where the money there? We no interested in no investment. You enough money that you know make it make sense. I know SSL this a cash plus. I know greedy that a long got through.
I'm not greedy for true. A long gun. Because if you take out, which you shouldn't take out none. But suppose you take out $10 million out of the money there. You see about now, miss that, you know. If that person there, if that was just one person stealing money, that person that take out 10 million, you see about now miss that, 20 million, now miss it. 30 million, now miss it. You take out 2 billion. Jesus Christ. You no long got it. You no got long.
I know SSL this a cash plus. I know greedy.
A long got.
Money no last. The money get fucked. Back up on the Ponzi scheme. Now one cut. Somebody taking money and bolt. Everybody shock. High tension volt. Who take your billions? Nobody no know. Who are the criminal when they not clear up his smoke? Make we know. Who knows scam a fella? But a cost keke them a chopper with scholar. And a psychobonic crime them ya white collar.
And a psychobonic crime them ya some white collar. So basically you must say yo, Patakos Kekel, because them same people they put down the youth them where in the street a chop. You see me? A chop and a chop, but them people are chop bigger than that. So the man them in the street where do the little chopping, them not chop, them a cut. Them people are chop.
Money share up information, swallow next news that tomorrow. Them a trick we a tell who we fi invest in. Check it out, we a invest in a them be man. Tell get the youth if we stop with this scam. None of them never chat $2 billion. So where the money there? Where the money there? SSL, where the money there? Where the money there? Who know I pay man money like Sangers FM over 100 million. I know the diplo them come again. Where the money there? Where the money there?
Where the money there? Where the money there?
We no interested in no investment. You enough money that you know make it make sense. Like JPS, if me invest, but not fi pay me yes.
Here's the ramping on quick one.
Like JPS, if me invest, we not pay me, yes, with interest. So me want know what the money there.
Alright, so
Where the money there? 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 Where the money there?
see that. Yo, Jamaica take everything with fun and jokes, you know. Jamaica not take nothing serious, dog. I serious that people that find joke out of everything. But I chose still, but one I'm gonna know this still. You see, not because a $12 million you rob from UCN doesn't mean a $12 million I'm put in. So I'm put in 8 million then. You see me? If I put in 8 and next 4 we grow up on top of that. Interest. So the last statement where him supposed to have say 12 point something million, so that him want. Because at that them I tell him say him have, which him never have that. Him they have minus that because them been a take with the money from all along. You see me? So the money when investment should have grown upon it. Like interest should have grown upon it, but none never grow upon it. Them take it to it. But I just saw right now, so hopefully UCN Bolt do the right and the people them do the right and give out the money. Find the money somewhere. You see me? It got hard for them recover everything. I don't think he might get back everything. Where out of that figure that out in the papers, he not get back that everything. So hopefully him get back something anyway, because you don't know. No matter how rich a man is, money can never too much. So him want the money for him putting them investment. So big man thing, run back the money, man. And the other people them money will want to thief too. Let's not just focus on UCN Bolt. There's other people out there where don't have a name or a vice. So you run back everybody their money. We need to bumbuckler thief. And I left this one. Yo, later, yeah, man. I want to run back your money, man. Bumbuckler thief impossible.